Hi folks, welcome back. Just a wee quick update just to let you know that the COVID hasn't got me. I'm still here, and I'll be back in the swing of things on the channel next week. So I've just done a wee quick video a day after I tidy up in the garage, and just to let you know what basically I'm going to be up to in the next couple of weeks. So I also like to say a wee quick hello to new subscribers, because a few of you have subscribed during the last 5 or 6 weeks when I've not been producing. Simba's in to say hello as well. There he is, the bold fella himself. He's here. You big guy. Give you coffee, is that what it is? Give you coffee. So yeah, that's basically it. So, should be a video of what's happening in the garage at the moment, and we'll see where we go from there, and hopefully get a bit more regular as of the end of next week.
So let's have a look, see what we've got. As you can see, we've got the box of all the dismantled parts, which I'm going to need to have a sort through and decide what's been painted, what's been powder coated, what's been slung and replaced. I've sorted out some stuff on the table. You see the pedal box, to get it all dismantled. Take these awful bloody pedal things off. These bloody stupid covers, terrible things. You get the slightest bit of moisture in your feet just slide off them. Hate the things. Handbrake assembly, same. Get it all rubbed off, get it painted, get the handle off, and then onto the steering rack. Get that all good clean up. Get the track rod ends off, new track rod ends, new gaiters, and the radius arms. I'll spend the time and strip them down. Same again, get the arms powder coated or painted, not quite made my mind up yet. Clean up the back plates. May end up replacing the drum itself, obviously the brakes, new brake pipes, and just generally get it ready to get back on the car. The windscreen wiper assembly is alright. It was actually working fine, no problems with it whatsoever, other than, if you remember when I was taking the windscreen wipers themselves off, one of them was actually arrow-lighted on, because the spleens on this bit at the end here have actually gone completely. So whether I can just replace that, or whether I have to replace the whole wiper worm drive, I don't know, so I'll get back to that one. So basically that's that. Then on to panels. Still not 100%. I've got to find some time to give M Machine a phone and sort out what I can afford to replace and what I can't afford to replace, what I need to make do and mend, and what I can just replace altogether. So we'll see what's what. As you can see, this inner wing, where it meets with the scuttle, there's been a few plates put in for previous MOTs, which have been pretty badly bodged. Where it connects behind the shocker mount, as per usual, big rotted bit behind it. Sill, a couple of patches on the sill. So again, outer sills, which I've got anyway. I've actually got the outer sills, so replace them. This rear quarter, it's got a, let's put the light down and I'll show you. It's got a patch down here at the bottom, so I don't know whether just to cut that out and plate it properly, or whether to cut the whole rear quarter panel out. It seems a shame because the rest of the panel is actually in quite good condition. So whether to maybe just make up a little patch panel, weld it in, grind it off. And I need quite a bit at the boots, but I'll go through that in another video because there's quite a bit involved in that, so I'll leave it and show you what's what. Trumpets, rubbers are gone totally, they're knackered. I know they don't look, but they will be replaced just as a matter of course. So I'll be new trumpets back and front, and that's basically it. So thanks for watching, people, and as per usual, stay safe out there. Take care. Ta-ra.